any content into an ebook or flipbook. About BOOQS, the world's first AI app that generates ebooks, flipbooks, reports, white papers, and sales presentations. Arrives preloaded with content that is 100% human-like. Includes an integrated marketplace enabling you to sell your ebooks and receive immediate payments through various methods such as PayPal, Stripe, cards, and bank accounts. But that's not the end of it. BOOQS will syndicate your ebook to 50+ publications, leading to a significant increase in traffic. Transform any content into a fully designed ebook or flipbook with BOOQS. Whatever you have, BOOQS can convert it seamlessly. BOOQS has the capability to take anything, conduct research, format, and design a complete ebook or flipbook within seconds. You can use keyword, URL, blog post, any website, article, questions, BOOQS review, overview, product BOOQS, creator say Adalic, official website click here, product type software, support effective response, recommended highly recommended, skill level needed all levels, key features and advantages, features, revolutionary voice to ebook application, pioneer in its category, transform your spoken words into stunning ebooks and flipbooks effortlessly, generate 100% human-like and unique ebooks instantaneously, create a 3D eCover for your ebook with a single click, ride the AI wave with just one click, capitalize on advanced technology, craft ebooks, flipbooks, PDFs, presentations, reports, and more with ease. Swiftly publish your ebooks in our marketplace for instant exposure. Syndicate your ebook to attract immediate buyer traffic. Embark on your publishing venture today. 100% cloud-based. No installation or configuration required. User-friendly interface. No prior experience necessary. Zero upfront costs. Get started with no initial expenses. Benefits. Harness the power of an AI language model surpassing even Chat-4 and generate a complete ebook in 45 seconds or less. It's not limited to just ebooks. You can effortlessly create reports, flipbooks, PDFs, lead magnets, presentations, and more without any writing involved. No need to hire a designer. Create your eCover and logo with a simple click of a button. Forget about hiring proofreaders. The AI ensures content with 100% accuracy. Say goodbye to extensive research. Let the AI handle it for you. Conquer any niche with just 3 clicks, regardless of your level of experience. Promote your AI-generated ebook to a vast audience through our built-in AI syndicator. BOOQS takes care of all the marketing materials, providing you with a business in a box. Automatically integrate your ebook with affiliate links or product links. Whatever you aim to promote, BOOQS will drive engagement with a flood of clicks. How does it work? In just 4 clicks, effortlessly dominate any niche without writing a single word. Instantly generate captivating, fully designed ebooks and let AI syndicate them to a multitude of buyers. Step 1. Login to BOOQS cloud-based dashboard. Step 2. Create. Enter one keyword and instantly generate a fully designed ebook, reports, flipbook, PDF, lead magnet, and more. Step 3. Syndicate. With one click, let AI syndicate your ebook across tons of buyers in any niche. Step 4. Profit. Indeed, that's the essence of it. With every ebook you generate, automated sales follow. BOOQS can do for you. One-click AI ebook generator simplifies the conventional challenges of ebook creation. Just enter a keyword, and BOOQS AI manages research, formatting, writing, proofreading, and design. 100% human-like content. BOOQS produces high-quality, human-like content that eludes detection by Google and other platforms. It distinguishes itself by delivering premium AI-generated content. Plagiarism-free content guarantees content uniqueness. BOOQS refrains from scraping or reusing material. It utilizes the world's premier AI engine to generate original content on demand. One-click FlipBook Designer. Creating content is only the first step. Converts distinctive content into attractive flipbooks or fully designed ebooks. No design skills or special tools are needed. The entire process is managed by AI. AI researcher. Doesn't matter what niche you're in, AI can research and create the best content possible. The content is so good, a human can't replicate it. You don't have to do any research. Generate various content formats. Generates flipbooks, presentations, PDFs, ebooks, and sales materials in less than 40 seconds. Provides a variety of content creation options with impressive speed. 3D eCover generator. Instantly create 3D eCover for your ebook without any designing skill. You don't need Photoshop, Canva, or even hiring a designer. All it takes is just a couple of seconds, and you will have a professional 3D eCover ready. Create AI storybooks. Converts any niche into a comprehensive storybook, suitable for publication on platforms such as Amazon. Instantly create story illustrations. Elevate storytelling by creating illustrations and graphics using the capabilities of AI. Choose from pre-made ebooks. Supplies professional templates for swift customization. catering to various preferences. Pre-fill your ebook with your link. AI will detect where exactly to insert any link you want to promote into the ebook. You can use it to promote your affiliate link, your product, your e-com store, your local business, your coaching business, or anything. DFY high-ticket offers. Even if you don't have something to promote, BOOQS comes with DFY high-ticket offers that pay $997 per sale, and you can integrate it with your ebook with no effort. Create a iFAQ eBooks. Create an entire ebook based on any question. Just ask BOOQS any question, and it will turn that answer into a full ebook. That's the power of AI. Voice to ebook. Turn your thoughts into ebooks. BOOQS comes with voice recognition 10x better than Siri and Alexa. Use it to create an ebook even faster than writing a keyword. Built-in marketplace. Don't want to publish on Amazon, or you think it's not enough? That's no issue. BOOQS comes with a built-in marketplace that you can sell your ebooks on and earn big paydays from it. This marketplace is visited by lots of users every month, and you can easily integrate your PayPal, Stripe, cards or bank account to receive payment, and you get to keep 100% of the profit. DFY 50+ syndication. With just a few clicks, you will get your ebook or flipbook in front of readily active readers who will happily read and click on your link without paying a penny on ads. DFY traffic funnels. It doesn't matter if you want to publish your ebook or not. You can let AI determine which is the best traffic for you and start redirecting it towards you with zero effort on your end. With $0 spent on ads. 50+ AI features better than Chat 4. BOOQS is not another ebook generator. BOOQS is an AI brain that will do everything for you. It with a better language model than Chat 4, which will answer any question, generate articles, design posters, graphics, create social media plans, write ads, summarize any content, write emails for you, and so much more. Who is it for? BOOQS is tailored for a diverse audience seeking to enhance their social media marketing efforts, including affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, blog owners, product creators, e-commerce store owners, local business owners, artists, content creators, agency owners, freelancers, advertisers, consultants, social media managers. Indeed, individuals aiming to attract high-ticket clients and amplify their growth strategies can derive substantial benefits from BOOQS. The future of BOOQS. The future of BOOQS holds promising advancements in e-reading technology, offering users a seamless, immersive experience. With its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface, BOOQS is set to revolutionize the way we read and engage with digital content. This BOOQS review explores the innovative potential and benefits of this cutting-edge platform. Facts. Q. Is any prior experience required to begin? None at all. Just an internet connection, and you're ready to go. Q. Is there a monthly fee? It varies. If you take action now, there is no cost. However, if you delay, you may be charged $997 per month. The choice is yours. Q. What is the time frame for earning money? On average, our members achieve their first sale on the very day they gain access to BOOQS. Q. Is there a need to buy additional items for it to function? No. BOOQS is all-inclusive. You receive everything necessary to make it work. Nothing is omitted. Q. What happens if I don't succeed? If you give BOOQS a try and don't succeed, you will be refunded every penny you paid. As a gesture of apology, you will also receive a set of additional bonuses. At a glance, leverage a better language model than Chat 4 uses. Instantly create ebook, flipbook, PDFs, sales presentations, white papers, and more. Auto-generates 100% human-like content, plagiarism-free. Pre-fill your ebook with your links for a massive traffic boost. Take advantage of our marketplace and get in front of active readers. Generate unique ebooks that can be sold on Amazon or anywhere. Leverage our DFY